2nd October is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, a national holiday. The journey from Mohandas to Mahatma. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, father of the nation, celebrated across the world for showing the path of non-violence and satyagraha. His story from a careless boy to leading India's freedom struggle. Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869 at Porbandar in the present-day Indian state of Gujarat. This is the house where Mohandas grew up and making of Mahatma began. His father was the Diwan of Porbandar. At the age of 19, Mohandas left home to study law in London at the Inner Temple, one of the country's 4 law colleges. Along with his wife Kasturbai and their children, Gandhi remained in South Africa for nearly 20 years. Gandhi was appalled by the discrimination that he experienced as an Indian immigrant in South Africa. On a train voyage in South Africa, he was thrown out of a first-class railway compartment and beaten up by a white stagecoach driver after refusing to give up his seat for a European passenger. That train journey served as a turning point for Gandhi, and he soon began developing and teaching the concept of satyagraha or passive resistance as a way of non-cooperation with authorities. In July 1914, Gandhi left South Africa to return to India. He led the Champaran movement in 1917 that marked Gandhi's first involvement in India's freedom struggle, where he fought for the rights of indigo farmers. The success of this movement earned Gandhi the status of Mahatma. Gandhi stressed the importance of economic independence for India. He advocated manufacture of khadar or the homespun cloth in order to replace imported textiles from Britain. In 1918, Gandhi led the Kheda movement for the rights of the farmers of Kheda village oppressed by the landlords of the region. In 1919, Gandhi approached the Muslim community for their support in the freedom movement. And in return, he helped them in launching the Khilafat movement, as the Muslims became fearful for the safety of their caliph in Turkey. This movement made him a national leader. After the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Gandhi launched the non-cooperation movement in 1920. He framed the concept of Swaraj, which became a core element of India's freedom struggle. But soon this movement was ended by Gandhi himself after it led to Chauri Chaura incident in which 23 police officials were killed. British authorities arrested Gandhi in March 1922 and tried him for sedition. He was sentenced to 6 years in prison but was released in 1924. He led the civil disobedience movement in 1930, which began with a Dandi march from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi. In 1934, Gandhi announced his retirement from politics and resignation from Congress. He launched the Quit India movement in 1942 during the Second World War to drive the Britishers out of India and delivered a do-or-die speech. Eventually, Gandhi called off the movement, resulting in the release of thousands of prisoners. After Britishers left India and handed over the power in 1947, Gandhi strongly opposed the partition and appealed for peace, and undertook a fast until riots in Calcutta ceased. In 1948, Gandhi fasted again, this time to bring peace in Delhi. On January 30th, 12 days after that fast ended, Gandhi was on his way to an evening prayer meeting in Delhi when he was shot dead by Nathuram Godse, a Hindu fanatic enraged by Mahatma's efforts to negotiate with Jinnah and Muslims. Nearly 1 million people followed his death procession as he was cremated on the banks of River Jamna. Gandhi still lives in the heart of every Indian and is hailed across the world.